Did you know that an ancient philosopher believed everything is made of water? Welcome to the intriguing world of Thales of Miletus. Born in the 6th century BCE, Thales was one of the pre-Socratic philosophers who dared to look beyond mythology to explain the natural world. His audacious theory posited that all matter, from the smallest grain of sand to the largest celestial body, originated from water. This notion, while seemingly simple, had profound implications for the way we perceive the universe. Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand Thales' watery world. We'll dive into his philosophy, its influence on science, and its enduring legacy. You know you're in for an interesting ride when ancient philosophers start talking about the wet stuff. Thales believed that water was a fundamental substance of the universe. Intriguing, right? Just think about it for a moment. Water, as we know it, is a versatile substance. It can transform into a solid, liquid, or gas, depending on the conditions. Now, imagine applying that versatility to the entire cosmos. Thales did exactly that. He proposed that everything around us, from the smallest grain of sand to the largest celestial body, originated from water. According to him, the cosmos was a grand transformation of water, unfolding in a myriad of forms. But why water, you might ask? Thales, being a keen observer of nature, was deeply inspired by the life-sustaining properties of water. He noticed how water nourished the land, giving life to plants and animals. This led him to surmise that water, with its life-giving properties, must be the primal source of all things. In essence, Thales' theory was a bold attempt to explain the world around him using a single fundamental principle. He strived to simplify the complexity of the universe by reducing it to a single element: water. So, the next time you pour yourself a glass of water, take a moment to appreciate the profound insight this simple act would have evoked in Thales of Miletus. Imagine seeing the world through Thales' watery lens. Now, let's consider how Thales' theory influenced scientific thought. This ancient thinker, with his seemingly simple water-centric view, laid the groundwork for a whole new way of seeing the world. His bold assertion that water was the primal substance from which everything else originated was more than just a philosophical idea. It was a scientific hypothesis, a conjecture about the fundamental nature of the universe, and it paved the way for future investigations into the nature of matter. Thales' theory prompted other philosophers and scientists to question and explore: what if there was a single substance at the heart of all things? This idea sparked a revolution in thought, leading to the development of the atomic theory by Democritus, and then to the modern scientific understanding of elements and compounds. In essence, Thales' concept of a unifying substance served as an early form of scientific reductionism, the practice of breaking complex phenomena down into simpler components. This approach has been pivotal in numerous scientific breakthroughs, from understanding the structure of the atom to decoding the human genome. Even though we now know that water isn't the fundamental substance of the universe, Thales' impact extends beyond his specific theory. His audacious thought process encouraged a shift from mythological explanations to rational observational inquiry, a vital step in the development of scientific methodology. Thales' ripple effect on science can still be felt today. Beyond scientific realms, Thales' philosophy sparked philosophical debates about the nature of reality and existence. He proposed that the universe in all its complexity could be boiled down to a single elemental substance, water. This audacious premise provoked a seismic shift in human thought, challenging the conventional wisdom of his time and prompting a wave of intellectual curiosity. Thales' theory catalyzed the quest to uncover the fundamental nature of the world. It nudged thinkers to look beyond the apparent diversity of the physical world and seek a unifying principle. This radical perspective laid the groundwork for the philosophical tradition of monism, the belief in a single ultimate substance or principle as the ground of all reality. In a sense, Thales' philosophy can be seen as a metaphorical fountain from which streams of philosophical thought flowed. His ideas rippled through the minds of subsequent philosophers, inspiring them to contemplate the essence of reality and existence. From the atomists who proposed that everything is composed of tiny, indivisible particles, to the Stoics who asserted that divine fire was the fundamental element, Thales' influence is evident. In essence, Thales' daring conjecture about water being the primal substance of the universe stirred the still waters of ancient philosophy, causing waves of intellectual exploration that continue to this day. Thales' ideas continue to ripple through philosophical discourse. Let's dive deeper into Thales' worldview by exploring how he applied his theory to natural phenomena. You see, Thales was not just content with formulating his water-centric theory. He sought to apply it in understanding the world around him. This was particularly evident in his explanation of earthquakes. In Thales' view, the earth floated on water. So, when the water was disturbed, it caused the earth to shake, resulting in what we know as earthquakes. It's a fascinating interpretation, isn't it? Thales essentially was trying to make sense of a terrifying natural phenomenon using his own water theory. While we know today that earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface, Thales' explanation was revolutionary for his time. It was one of the earliest attempts to explain a natural event scientifically without resorting to myths or divine intervention. Thales' approach to understanding earthquakes reflects his broader philosophy. He believed in seeking natural explanations for natural phenomena, a concept that has become a cornerstone of modern science. He encouraged us to question, to observe, and to seek answers in the natural world around us. This is the beauty of Thales' thought process. He didn't just propose a theory, he used it as a lens to view and understand the world. Thales didn't just make waves in philosophy. He made seismic shifts in our understanding of nature. Finally, let's reflect on the enduring legacy of Thales' ideas. While his theory that everything is made of water might seem a bit outlandish to us now, it marked a critical shift in the way humans approached understanding the world. Thales' conjecture was one of the earliest attempts at offering a natural explanation for the universe's composition, stepping away from mythological or religious interpretations. His bold proposition sparked an intellectual revolution, igniting a flame that continues to burn brightly in the scientific method we use today. It was a testament to the power of human imagination and the insatiable quest for knowledge. His legacy also lies in his method of inquiry. Thales was among the first to seek rational and logical explanations for natural phenomena, a practice that has become the bedrock of modern science. Every time we ask why and seek to understand the world around us, we're echoing Thales' pioneering spirit. Thales' ideas have also shaped our philosophical discussions, inviting us to question the nature of reality and the essence of life. His influence extends beyond the realm of science, reaching into the depths of our existential ponderings. And so, even though modern science has evolved beyond Thales' water-centric worldview, his philosophical and scientific contributions continue to resonate. His audacious curiosity and relentless pursuit of understanding laid the groundwork for future explorations of the universe. Thales' legacy flows through the currents of history, inspiring generations to explore the depths of the unknown. So, to recap, Thales of Miletus challenged the status quo by proposing that everything is made of water. He saw the world through a watery lens, believing that this vital element, in its various forms, was the fundamental substance of the universe. This bold idea not only sparked scientific curiosity, but also paved the way for future investigations into the nature of matter. His influence didn't stop at science. Thales' philosophy ignited debates about the nature of reality and existence, challenging conventional beliefs and encouraging intellectual curiosity. In fact, his ideas continue to ripple through philosophical discourse to this day. Thales' worldview extended to his understanding of natural phenomena. He believed in a holistic approach, attributing earthquakes to disturbances in water beneath the Earth's surface. This shows how his theory was not just about the cosmos, but also about the world we live in. Lastly, we reflected on Thales' enduring legacy. Although modern science has expanded and evolved, his theories remind us of the power of imagination and the quest for knowledge. His legacy continues to inspire generations to explore the depths of the unknown. If this journey into ancient wisdom has piqued your interest, we encourage you to dive deeper, share your thoughts, and take part in the ongoing conversation about Thales and his watery world. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into history's greatest minds. Just remember, when life gets turbulent, go with the flow. Thales would approve.